Hi, my name is Patricia, and in each short video, I break down one business analysis technique at a time in under 5 minutes. Let's get into it. You know that moment when everyone thought they understood the requirement until the feature goes live and suddenly someone says, that's not what we wanted? Yeah, that's basically the universe telling us we skipped acceptance criteria. It's like ordering bubble tea. If you don't specify the sugar level, the ice level, and the topping don't be surprised when you get something totally different. So today, let's talk about acceptance and evaluation criteria, the technique that gives everyone the same definition of done. Because once you set clear criteria, people stop guessing, and delivery becomes way smoother. Acceptance criteria are important because they remove ambiguity. They create a shared understanding of what done looks like, make requirements testable, and set clear boundaries. This clarity also helps with validation and sign-off, making sure the business and delivery teams agree before development starts. And the bonus? Fewer rework cycles because everyone knows exactly what to deliver. Words like fast, simple, or user-friendly sound nice, but they mean different things to different people. Acceptance criteria make these expectations measurable, so everyone is literally checking against the same rules. This reduces debates, aligns everyone, and supports objective decisions, because instead of opinions, it's simply about whether the criteria are met. Acceptance criteria aren't just for one stage. Use them when refining user stories, prepping for UAT, evaluating vendors, walking through requirements, or handling high-risk features. If a requirement matters, put acceptance criteria around it. It's a safeguard. Here's the practical part. Start from the requirement, then ask, how will we know it's done properly? The answer becomes your acceptance criteria. Choose a structure, given, when, then, a checklist, or a rules table. Share them early and get the whole team to validate. Design, dev, test, and business, so everyone's aligned. Let's see this in action with a password reset. The requirement is simple. Users can reset their password. But without acceptance criteria, developers and testers could interpret this completely differently. Here's how clear criteria help. User clicks Forgot Password. System sends a one-time reset link. Link expires after 10 minutes. Reset attempt is logged for security. Each step is measurable and testable. Testers know what to check. Developers know what to build. And stakeholders know exactly what done looks like. Even a small feature like this shows how acceptance criteria prevent misalignment and rework, and the same approach scales beautifully for bigger features. A few tips. Make each criterion binary. It either passes or it doesn't. Avoid subjective words. Reuse templates to stay consistent and save time. Keep your acceptance criteria linked to build and test. And review them early to avoid surprises. Acceptance criteria give everyone the same understanding of done, reducing rework and aligning teams. Use them early, make them measurable, and validate them with the team. Next up, we'll look at backlog management, which builds on these criteria to prioritize and plan work effectively. See you then.